work 14-hour days. You start with your first client at 6 a.m. and end with one at 9 p.m. And there's very little you can do to change that. After all, most people will want to train either early in the morning or in the evening after work. That, of course, leaves a massive gap in the middle of your day where you can try and squeeze in some admin time or work on your marketing or design new programs. But what it doesn't allow you to do is to actually relax. So you keep going day after day for months or years until one day you can't do it anymore. Your own training goes out the window, you're eating on the go, you're not getting enough sleep. You start to dread the job that used to make you so happy. And what's worse than that, you change from being a role model to your clients, showcasing what it means to be strong and healthy, to the exact opposite. You become tired and frustrated and fed up, and if you're not careful, your confidence as a personal trainer will also start to go. But it doesn't have to be like this. You don't have to become another burnout victim. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 productivity hacks to avoid burnout.